Imagine stepping into your backyard and feeling like you've arrived at a luxury resort. What if the secret to increasing your home's value wasn't inside your house, but outside? Landscaping is one of the most powerful upgrades a homeowner can make. A beautiful outdoor space doesn't just look amazing, it can boost curb appeal and increase property value, and create a place where family and friends love to gather. But here's the surprising part. Many of the most stunning outdoor transformations don't require massive budgets. Strategic lighting, colorful plants, elegant pathways, outdoor seating, and well-designed gardens can completely change the feel of a property. A dull yard can become a relaxing retreat. An empty space can become an outdoor entertainment paradise. And a simple backyard can turn into your favorite place on earth. The best landscapes combine beauty, functionality, and lifestyle. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee surrounded by lush greenery, hosting unforgettable summer gatherings, or watching a sunset from your own outdoor oasis. That's why landscaping isn't just about plants. It's about creating experiences. It's about transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary places. So the next time you look at your yard, don't see what it is. See what it could become. Like, comment, and subscribe to PropertyVia and TanMarket.com for more landscaping ideas, outdoor living inspiration, home design tips, and property transformation stories. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos on real estate, property management, home design, landscaping, investing, and home improvement.